Mu kutuuka Pulezidenti Yoweri Museveni ng'awerekeddwako mukyala we era minisita w'ebyenjigiriza n'emizannyo Janet Museveni baaniziddwa Mehta nannyini School ne Regional Director Shama ne balambuzibwa ekkolero lya waya z'amasannyalaze erya Cable. Pulezidenti atongozza amasannyalaze aga watts 25 agakoleddwa mu mukka okuva mu bikamalo by'ebikajjo. Pulezidenti ayogedde ku famire ya Mehta ng'ekoze nnyo okulaakulanya Uganda olw'amakolero amangi ge bataddewo okuli erya sukaali, waya z'amasannyalaze, ebimuli n'ebirala kwe bagassa amasannyalaze.
On behalf of Uganda and on behalf of the National Resistance Movement, I want to thank and congratulate the Mehtas on 2 counts. Number 1, the elder Mehta, who pioneered the sugar industry in 1924.
Museveni asabye Mehta okusala amagezi afune ettaka alime ebikajjo ebiwera amalewo obutakkaanya bw'alina n'abalimi b'ebikajjo.
What I had advised giving them advantage, grow your own sugar cane. Please stop this war with the outgrowers. I told you wrong to do it. Because the reason I told you Mayu long ago, and it was a Mehta here, sugar cane is not a high value crop. If you see how much you earn per acre, per annum, it is not compared to coffee, to fruits and other crops. And many of our smallholders have small acreage, 4 acres and less. So the economy in sugarcane growing is really to divert them from solving their problem.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.